in this question, we are to deal with 5 parts. The heading is write integer to represent the following situations. We know integer involve positive and negative directions. So, as per the given statement, we will have to decide that in which direction the question is indicating, and as per that situation I will select the integer. This is positive and it may be negative also. So our first part is 4 degree centigrade below 4 degrees Celsius below 0. So if you are below 0, then what will happen? So let us see, this is the number line, and if I move like this, you will see that 4 degrees Celsius below 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, then about which direction is this? This is the negative direction. Therefore below part is in pink ink and the up part is in brown ink. So as per the question, this is the negative integer. So I will write -4 for this given situation. So I will write the answer -4 degree C. Now 100 meter above the sea level. If the sea level is 0, then we have to decide the integer that is 100 meter above that level. If we consider sea level as 0, as taking the same number line, if this is the sea level and we have to see above, then we will move to the positive direction. Therefore I will write the positive integer. So positive integer will be plus 100 meter. Now win by 3 goals. Winning position is somehow gain position. When we are getting something, we are not losing something. So when we are getting, we are adding something. Okay. Now therefore when we are going to add, then we are going to in positive direction. So win by 3 goals. So plus 3 will be the required integer. Now rupees 578 loss. Take now loss. So then loss, in the loss position we will have to suffer some type of subtraction. So we will write minus rupees 578. Now the last part is 8 seconds before liftoff during a space flight. So before liftoff, that is the minus integer, negative integer. Therefore I will write it minus 8 seconds. To support this statement, I will show you an example in a printed book. Here you will see the picture where the similar situation is being given to you. Here we have to match the following numbers with the picture given below. Tell what each means: -2, -1, 0, +1 and +2. Here you will see 2 seconds before liftoff. So this is -2, and 1 second before liftoff. This is -1. You will see liftoff. So it is just below the 0. After that 1 second after liftoff, then it means +1, and 2 seconds after liftoff it means +2. So with this type of figure you will decide what our question is. 8 seconds before liftoff. So before liftoff situation we are considering the negative integer. Therefore I will write -8 seconds here. So in this way we have solved all the questions regarding representation of negative integers and positive integers as per the given situations. So I will revise once more. Write integer to represent the following situation: 4 degrees C below 0, that is minus 4 degrees centigrade or Celsius. 100 meter above sea level, that is plus 100 meter. Wind by 3 goals, that is plus 3. Rupees 570 lows, that is minus rupees 578. And 8 seconds before liftoff during a space flight, that is minus 8 seconds.